Alright, if you missed the first class or two, I'll just try and get you caught up here. So what you want to do, you need a Gmail account for this class. The whole course is on Gmail. So just log into your Gmail account. You can click some buttons over here and you can see all the little icons that belong to the Google world. And we're going to use Gmail in my drive. You can drag these around, and these are the ones we use most often. So I click on my Google Drive and it opens up. Mine's full of stuff. Yours might be empty. Doesn't matter. We're going to create a folder for our course. So I'm going to go New and then Folder. And we're going to call this is a communications course, so just Comm or whatever you communications, doesn't matter. I'm going to create this. I'm going to call it Comm Demo. Alright, create. There it is, Comm Demo, and yours should just say communications. I double click on it. I'm inside that folder now and it's empty. And so everything that belongs to this course is going to go into this folder in some way. So let's make another folder, new folder. And this folder we're going to call it Better Writer. Better Writer. So there's lots of writing in this course, and we're going to put writing ideas, writing strategies into this Better Writer folder. So I'll double click on that folder. I go in there and it's empty right now. But I can make a new document, a new Google document, and it's in that folder now, and I'm going to call this one Topics. So we're going to have to do some writing in this course, and so I want to give you some topics to write about. So what I do is I go insert a table, and I insert a 2x2. 2x2. And the first thing I'm going to do is make a list of things that I like this, blah, 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 whatever they are. And then I'm going to make a list of things that I don't like. Over here, I can add some bullets. Making a list of things I don't like. And then I'm going to make another table down here. Insert another table, 2x2. Okay, and I actually have one done, so I'm just going to paste it just so you can see. And you can pause the video and take a look at that if you want. But hopefully you change these, make them your own. You can borrow some of mine, things you like and things you don't like. Maybe we don't like the same thing. But mostly you can make your own. These are things that are normal about you, normal. And these that you do every day. And these are things that are unusual or strange about you. So those are going to give us some ideas that we can write about. Okay, so then we'll go back to our course like this. If I look in that Better Writer folder, the topics document should be in there. That's our first little strategy, is to get some ideas to write about. Okay, if it's not in there, just hit refresh right here or F5 on your keyboard and it should show up in there. Okay, so I'm back into my course. I see the Better Writer folder. I need to make a new folder now. This folder is going to be your first name, whatever your first name is. For me, it's Brian. I hope maybe yours is Brian, but probably not. So your first name, and then just the last 4 digits of your student number will do the trick. I'm just making those up. And then hit create. So here's where you're going to put all of your assignments and where I'm going to give you some things. So this is a shared folder between you and I. If you put something in this folder, I'll see it. If I put something in this folder, you'll see it. So you need to share this folder with me. So that should be your first name again and your student number, 4 digits of your student number. Right click and share. So here you're going to type in my email address, briancoxacc@gmail.com, and you're going to hit send. Okay, but I can't really send it to myself, so I have to put in a different email address. So don't put in this. This is my school email address. Don't put in this. You put in my Gmail address, okay? Just hit send. I just want to show you what it looks like. A little white face. Perfect. I can tell right now this folder is being shared. Okay, so whatever I put in this folder now comes to my other account. But if you put something in that folder, it should come to me. So let's go inside that folder. This is an assignment folder. It's empty. So I can go new document. We did this in class. Yes, it's asking, are you sure you want to share it with the person? That means sharing it with me. Yes. Create and share. We're going to call this 3 pages of draft. Just three, let's go 3 draft pages. There we go. 3 draft pages. And here you're going to do some writing. So you look at your topics, you pick a cool topic, and then you come over here and you can write about it. Maybe it's 1 paragraph or 2 paragraphs or 3 or 4 or 5, doesn't matter. When you're done that topic, go back and pick another topic. And you're just going to write about some topics, and we're going to add more topics in some following classes, but we're just practicing writing a little bit. Okay, so that should already be in that assignment folder, right? We got something in our Better Writer folder, topics, and I got something in my assignment folder called 3 pages of draft. Okay, and if you're looking at a different view, it might be this button over here. This list button shows you a little more details, and I usually use the list button. Okay, so in your assignment folder, I'm going to give you a grade sheet. Here's an example of a grade sheet. Your grade sheet might not be exactly like this, but it's similar. So here it lists all the assignments. It tells you which assignments are done in class, the red ones, and which ones are ongoing projects. And as you get assignments done, I can come in here and give you grades, and you can see your grades. And then over here, it's telling you the total so that you can see your final grade in the course. All right, and for any assignment, there's a rubric that you can click on and read about how I'm going to mark you for that assignment. So I just explained the 3 pages of draft. You could click on this rubric and read about it, and it would tell you a little bit more about that assignment. Click here to get your class calendar. That'll tell you what we're doing every day in class. Here's your course outline, and click here for the class website. So this is where I put, if you've missed a class, I try and put information on there so you can get caught up. Anyway, that's what we did in the first class, and so if you could get that stuff done if you were away, that'd be great. And for sure, send me an email with your Gmail address. That's step 1, and then we'll talk when I see you in class. Okay, thanks for listening.